How to mirror camera on Messenger video call. What's up everybody, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys if it is possible for you to mirror your camera on Messenger video call or not. But before we begin, please make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos. Alright, let's get right into it. So if I just open up my Messenger right here, and then if I try to video call someone from my chat, so I'm just going to video call this person right here. As you can see, there is no option for you to flip your camera or mirror your camera on the Messenger video call itself. But what you can try to do is just head over to your Messenger's app info right here and get to your storage section. Once you get here, you just have to clear cache and make sure that your camera permission is turned on. And once you allow your camera permissions and also your microphone permissions, your problem should be fixed. If you found this helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. I will see you next time.